Hi, I'm Kelly and welcome to the Okeechobee Library's channel. We are in week 4 of our summer reading program, and this one we are featuring fairy tales. So in honor of that, with the STEM activity, we are going to create a tornado for like Wizard of Oz. So what you'll need for this is just a jar with a lid, water to fill up the jar about 2/3 of the way, some dish soap, food coloring if you want, that's optional, and glitter. Okay, so the glitter is just so you can see the movement of the water a little better. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to take your jar with water and you're just going to set the lid aside, fill it up with water. We'll add a couple drops of food coloring. And I'll just cap it up and give it a shake. And then just 2 drops of dish soap and the glitter. And you're just going to sprinkle the glitter in there. And then cap it up. Okay, so when you have it all in the jar, you got everything there, you got your jar capped, and you're just gonna take it and swirl it and do it pretty quick, and it'll make the tornado effect. See that? And you can continuously do it. So that was our tornado in a jar. I hope you enjoyed that. And we're about halfway through our summer reading, so we do have additional take-home kits, STEM activities, bonus craft kits, DIY games, and kid recipes. So if you like this, like and subscribe, and hope to see you back. Bye.